Studying is not easy. Over the years, I have spent countless hours reading books, watching lectures, attending class, and trying different study techniques. My entire routine started revolving around those four walls, and at one point, I felt completely stopped. The excitement of learning gone, my motivation drained. It felt like I was trapped in a cycle wanting to study but never actually making progress. If you are someone who is experiencing the same thing, let me tell you what I did to come out of this situation. Does this ever happen to you? You sit in front of your study table and start studying. You open up Chrome to search for some study resources, but end up getting distracted and spend a few minutes or hours looking at random things in the internet. While sitting in front of your study table doesn't mean you are studying more hours. That's something I wish I knew earlier. It's only the productive hour that counts. 4 or 5 hours of deep focus work is much more than 12 hours of distracted work. And unfortunately, as a student, we have to use the internet both useful and distracting at the same time. So I thought, how can I make it less distracting? Well, to start up, you can put your phone away. That the most distracting device that you can ever have. But what about your laptop and your own thought? Well, the first thing that I noticed was the most of the time I spend looking for the best resources in the internet. This can teach me the calculus and organic in short term, where I get the tools like ChatGPT, Note Library, and a playlist in the YouTube and a Telegram app which providing me the best resources in the internet. Just imagine, before this tool, I spend my entire time for looking for the best resources, where it helped me to build this in a smaller period. So now that I had removed all the distraction, learned to study productively, and save myself a few hours. So the question is, what the heck is stopping me though? As we all know, the human body is not always in its natural happy state. When you keep sitting all day studying and studying, most of the students get burnt out and even they get mentally disturbed. Life is out there that meant to be lived. Honestly, that's the difficult part about being a student. But whenever you get free time, just try outdoor activities like running, walking, or if you are totally introvert like me, just go for the sunrise or sunset. So it's already late. I talked with some of my younger brother in my Telegram channel, and everyone is asking about how could they manage this thing in a short time. I just want to say that the beautiful part of studying and putting all your effort in the low past time not only give you the better mark or good grade, but it's all worth it in the end when you get to see the fruit of your labor. When you get to see the vision came to life, it's give you the satisfaction like nothing else in this world. And the beautiful thing about it, so yeah, studying is a great huge thing in itself. It's not easy. If it was easy, everyone would have passed in the exam. So I know you can do it. Trust yourself. Believe me, you can going to crack all the things that you ever wanted in the exam. So give your best and keep learning, keep going.